Hi everyone. In this course, we're going to learn how to turn on and off the power of the LED screen through the software. To achieve that, we need to add additional hardware to control system, which is multifunction card. The model name of multifunction card is MFN300. Here's the picture, and some key parameters are listed on the right. We can see that MFN300 supports 8 power management channels, 2 external connectors for light sensors, supports environment temperature and humidity monitoring, and integrates audio output. Next, let's see how to connect MFN300 to LED control system. Here's the basic LED control system. Generally, we need a PC to provide the video source goes to LED controller through the video cables like DVI, HDMI, then transfer the signal to LED screen by Ethernet cables. Multifunction card connection is very flexible. You can connect it between the first receiving card and the LED controller, connect it between any of two receiving cards, or connect it after the last receiving card. We recommend to connect the MFN300 between LED controller and the first receiving card. For now, we connect the MFN300 into control system, but how to do the power connection so that we can do the power control in software. Here's the recommended power connection diagram. Please find a professional electrician to do the circuit connection. After finishing the hardware connection, we need to go to Nova LCT software to configure the multifunction card and manage the power. Run Nova LCT software, log in with default password admin. Click the right to find the multifunction card quick launch option. Click it. There will pop up a multifunction card management page. Click the plus icon. Choose Ethernet port connection. Name your multifunction card. For example, power control. Then click the OK button to finish the multifunction card configuration. And this time, you will see 5 options on the multifunction card management page: power management, monitoring data, peripheral device, load program, and audio management. In this course, we mainly focus on the power management. So next, let's see how to do the power management. Before power management, please make sure the time of power management board is consistent with local time. Click read to read your laptop time. Click send to sync the time to your local time. Now we can start power management. There are 3 different modes: manual, automatic, and software control. Let's check out one by one. First, manual mode. When you switch to manual mode, there will list 8 switch for 8 channel power supply. One click start or stop to turn on and off the LED screen. If there were multiple screens, you may wonder, how do I know which switch is for which screen? Here's a function called set nodes. You can set nodes for each switch. For example, I set left screen node for switch 1, which means the first switch controls the left screen. Same for the others. This is the manual mode power management. Second, automatic power management. When you switch to automatic mode, there will list 8 switches as well, but not just start or stop buttons. Software provides you a start and stop time setting option, which means you can set a time range for each switch. For example, I set the switch 1 start from 8 a.m. and stop at 8 p.m. and the LED screen will be turned on at 8 a.m. and turned off at 8 p.m. and it cycles every day. Same for other switch. The third mode is software control. The software provides you an advanced way to do an auto power management. You can set up a week schedule. For example, if you don't want the LED screen on during the weekend, just uncheck the Saturday and Sunday. Here I take the switch one as an example. Set the start time and stop time to 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. System will follow the week schedule to do the power management. That's all for power management of LED screen through the software. Thanks for watching.